Mazda key fob battery running low? Let's fix it. Dave Taylor here, and I have my Mazda key fob, and there's a battery in this, and it's very, very important that battery be in good shape, or your car's gonna complain about it, or worst case scenario, the remote just doesn't work. So let me show you how to fix the battery. It's pretty darn easy. You need two things. You need a little teeny tiny flathead screwdriver, and you need a CR 2025 battery. So let's go ahead and open this battery container so we can have access to the battery when we need it. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna pop open the actual key fob. There's a sticker on this battery. It's gonna be very important to take that off too. But we're gonna open the key fob. We're gonna replace the battery. We're gonna close the key fob and we'll be done. Easy enough, let's do it. All right, let's do this. It's pretty easy. So on the key fob, open the back and take the key out. And now there are slots. So we want to take the screwdriver and very carefully pop open those slots. And now you go down the side, go about halfway, give it a twist. And that's it. That should be enough to open it up. There we go. And then there's this little cover. Take that off. And there's a rubber seal. We'll put that back on in a second. Old battery. New battery. Put the seal back. It's pretty easy. Probably you won't even have that pop out. And put the cap back on. Make sure it sits well. And then we're going to put the top on. Click all the way around. Is it working? Well, we'll push the button and see if the light lights up. It does. So we're done. Put that back together, and we have a fixed key fob. So that's all there is to it. Pretty easy, and I am now ready to get back in my CX-5 and stop seeing those silly low battery warnings and just get back to driving. So I hope you can do this too. It's easy enough, and I will catch you in my next video.